Okay, let me get into this. Let me show you what's happening. I think it's been a nice day. The humidity was low. And for this time in April, you'd think, the windy weather we have here, we haven't had that. We don't have any high humidity. We have nice temperatures. We have some blue skies out there, 75 at Cedar Hill. Pretty picture here at Dallas Baptist. There's two flags. There's one flag, that's not blowing around. There's another one here on the other side of the Pilgrim Chapel. That's not blowing around. Some nice afternoon. 73 right now at DBU. 77 was the high. The normal is 75. The morning low was a comfortable 53. The normal low is 54. Outside right now it's 75 with an east wind at 9. Pollen, what you see today is what you had yesterday, and it's what you're going to have all week. Maple's gone. That's been replaced by poplar, but oak, ash, and poplar are all there, and mountain cedar season has ended because that's why all this stuff is there. One ends and the next begins, and this is the next. Oak, ash, poplar, and fungus today, that's low. Right now, just a couple little scattered clouds. You saw those on those tower cams. Otherwise, a little bit of, we have an area of low pressure down here in the Gulf of Mexico. You can kind of see it rotating around. That'll bring a lot of moisture north up into parts of the central Gulf Coast states, but our part of Texas, we stay clear and we stay dry around here the next couple of days. I don't have any rain around here till we get into Friday, but this is where all the rain will be. For us, nothing more than a passing cloud or two until Friday. Then the dry line starts to move in, a cold front passes through, and that will bring with it, here's 7 in the morning Friday. See that? A couple little spotty thunderstorms popping up Friday evening. We already have a level 2. It's a slight risk of severe weather across the area. That would be for hail up to the size of a quarter, $half, maybe some golf ball size hail and some 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. That's provided that the cap breaks. Right now we'll have that strong, that pretty thick, warm layer of air aloft across North Texas that very well could prevent all thunderstorm development from taking place, severe thunderstorm development from taking place. If that cap holds, it'll be mainly dry. If it breaks, we could have a very quickly turning severe thunderstorm across the area as we head through Friday afternoon. And then the dry line starts to retreat back to the west. And then on Saturday, that cold front moves through. That means, again, maybe 20% of us Friday and Friday night see a little bit of rain. 10% of us on Saturday as that front passing by. But most of us will be dry as we head through that time frame. And again, any rain that we would pick up, it's pretty minimal. And it's Friday night, and Saturday morning. And I'm telling you, 80 to 90% of us won't see a drop of rain, but those 10% of the area, 20% of the area that does see a little bit of rain, that's it. Some meager amounts, a trace to a tenth. And my forecast has all of that in it. Tonight, it's a nice night tonight. Dry and cool, light winds, 54 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, sunshine, dry, a little warmer than what we had today by a degree. A light breeze, we hit 78 tomorrow. Then we make it up to 80 on Thursday. Friday, it's Children's Health. It's family night at Six Flags on Friday. We hit 82 on Friday. There's that 20% coverage of rain Friday afternoon, Friday night. 10% Saturday morning. Saturday's a little cooler, 77. Sunday behind that Saturday morning cold front's even a little bit cooler, but still comfortable. Sunday 75. And a little bit of rain as we head through Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Otherwise, for really approaching right now the middle of April, this is kind of a weird forecast where we don't have a whole lot of rain. But tonight on WFAA at 10, Mike. It's no longer News 8 at 10. I've been informed. Okay. On WFAA at 10, I'm talking. That right. That's right. I'm talking.
Like 8 years ago.
Yeah, I did. But I just, and I didn't even get an email, but someone came and told me. But I'm talking El Nino tonight.